Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create clean cutouts with mask overlay. Begin by opening your image and selecting your subject using any selection tool you prefer. Accuracy at this stage doesn't need to be perfect. Click Select and Mask to enter the Refinement workspace. Switch the view mode to Mask Overlay so you can clearly see the cutout area highlighted. Use the Brush tool to refine edges, focusing on removing unwanted background areas. Paint slowly and follow natural contours of the subject. For tighter edges, reduce brush hardness and size. Zoom in around edges like shoulders